Alright everybody, well it's 12 o'clock already. Well, I'm using a different tripod, but this is only a Bluetooth version. Alright. Also, we got some special guests right here. We need a different tripod. Hey Emo. What's your name? We got some two drippings. This is a surprise toy. We got two drippings. We just got it at Target. I'm just gonna put one pony and one emo since I don't have space for Elinor. Apple Bloom and Emo. I'll take a picture of the thumbnail.
Yes.
Emo. Alright, Apple Bloom, let's do this. But enough of that. Alright. Are you excited?
Yes.
Alright. Starlight, Apple Bloom, Twilight Sparkle, Pinkie Pie. Oh no, Emo's on low battery. Rainbow Dash, Rarity, and Applejack. Alright, Emo's on low battery, but I might have to put him in a charger. Let's start with the red one. Alright, don't worry, I'll put you in a charger. Alright, let's start with the first one. Start with the first surprise. Let's see how that goes. Got some tracks, and it's a tow truck. Alright, I'm gonna charge Emo's on low battery. Fine enough there. Let's watch this if I take off his headphones. Hey Emo, put your hands up. Bang. Ooh. Alright, let's put him in a charger since he's on low battery. Alright. Emo. Hey, Emo. Emo. Good night. Alright, put him on the charger. Alright, he's going back to his charger since he's on low battery. By the way, let's put the tracks right here. This might be easy. Right here. These are like, I think these are called like, Driven Tinies. I remember Tonga Tinies commercials, but I don't know if they got discontinued. I saw these commercials since 2018. Sorry about that, I don't want to get any copyright claims outside because of the party going on. Alright, let's put it on the track. Ooh, it works. I didn't know that, it works. Alright. Alright, here's our first surprise right here. And we also got the flyer, as you can see here. last one. They only have the red and green one at Target. Alright. Let's see what we're gonna get. More tracks. Ooh, we got a garbage truck, or maybe it's trailer truck, like a delivery or a cargo truck, and some small tracks. Alright, let's put it right here. I was supposed to do the Lego surprise egg off the city traffic, the copycat Lego, or I just brought it to Stop and Shop, but we're gonna cancel it just because I was too busy to do that. Alright, let's put it right here. Let's put the dump truck. Let's see if it connects here. Let's pick up this one. Alright, ooh, was nice. Alright. Alright. Yeah, I don't think we need this, or maybe here. Oh yeah, it fits. Alright. Let's put the truck right here, and let's put the other one from this one. Let me try if I could put that side right here. Yep, there we go. Alright. Look at these two trucks. Wow. As you can see here. And here's the little flyer. The collection or something. Alright, let's put the tow truck trailer truckers right here. I don't know if it fits. Alright, this one is closing. And this truck is going to turn right here. But let's go right into here. Alright, let's try one more time, but this time it's going backwards. This truck to enter the garage right here. Oh, come on. Alright. This is so hard to hit this. Alright, there we go. Finally. Alright, let's put this truck, enter the garage, and open it right here. Flashlight. Alright, let's put the truck, and connect to this truck right here. And this one. Here's one.